is key in any relationship. Respect and understanding of each other forms the foundation of every successful and long-term partnership.
1. Rewarding. We all enjoy being rewarded for good behavior. Take this chap, up for promotion and looking every inch a director on the board down at Walpole and Smitherington. He's just the ticket. Smart as paint. Look at him go.
Oh dear, that won't do. Ah, that's right, good boy. Sit and wait, she won't be a tick. Look at those buns. Almost too good to eat. Buns aren't for you, fella, but you can have a treat. Reward patience and good behavior, and you jolly well can't go wrong. Off she goes. Oh dear, dear, dear. He's looking a little discombobulated. What's that in his hand? Let's hope it doesn't rain. Always reward good behavior, and you will both benefit from the results. 2. Exercise. Have you been neglecting him lately? Enjoying your world of domestic bliss just a little too much? Stop. Think. Why don't you focus on him 100% for a change? Enjoying exercise together is very important. It improves your relationship and can help strengthen the bond between you. By Jove, she's got it. He really is a fine figure of a man. Go on, you two. Off you jolly well go. You lucky boy. Well, he wasn't expecting that. Oh, well. Cheers. Daily exercise strengthens the bond between you and makes you both healthy and happy. 3. Games. It has often been said that the couple that play together stay together. These days, there seems to be an almost infinite array from which to choose. One is able to select to suit his, or even her, abilities. For some, there is nothing quite as rewarding as galvanizing one's grey matter. Having fun and making the most of your time together can be done outside or inside the modern home. Hello? He's not seen that move before. Oh dear, dear me. Oh! Oh, crikey. Ah, now that's so much better. Play together, stay together. 4. Togetherness. Taking time to do things together is one of the most important things in a modern relationship. Whether you are cleaning, cooking, or planning outings, always try to involve him so he feels part of your life. Spending time together can be the icing on the cake. And here comes the man of the house. Look, he's bought her some flowers. Oh no. Pipe, and the coat, and the kiss. Welcome home, husband. That's him sorted. But what about the little lady? Hello, that's blooming lucky. He's got a plan all right. By Jove, I think he saved the day. The young fella's helped him right out. Good doggy. There we go. Ah, what could be better than a quiet evening at home together?